Sometimes installations will just make something look a lot better, and you can see this door needs a little help. A lot of sun damage, all the hardware's all tarnished, so we're going to improve the appearance of this door by installing a brand new door knocker, new hardware, and everybody likes a nice brand new kick plate. But before we can install anything, we got to do something to the finish of this door. So we're going to remove it from its hinges. We're going to completely strip all the existing finish away from it by sanding and a little bit of elbow grease, then restain, reseal, then we can install all the hardware that'll make a big difference. Fortunately, Alan made it over from the other project to help me get this off the hinges.
I thought you already had it on.
Oh, come on, give me a hand here.
This kind of work is much easier to do when the door is horizontal, and since there's a storm door here, it's really not inconvenient to remove the door. Now you'll want to put some padding on top of your sawhorses so that you don't scratch it. When the old hardware is gone, the sanding begins. Now we're starting with an 80 grit sandpaper because this door is so rough, but after we knock down some of the grain, we'll go to something a little finer. A coat of stain followed by 2 coats of polyurethane, and the wood door looks almost new. The new kick plate and knocker go on while the door is on the sawhorses so that we can lay them out real carefully, but we put the door back on the hinges to set the lock set and the deadbolt so that we can get to both sides of the door at the same time. Thread the screws into the new hardware very carefully so that you don't strip them, and if you use a cordless drill, go real slow so that you don't scratch up that new hardware or the door itself.
Man, that little bit of money and time made a big difference on that door. How much money did you end up spending on everything?
Well, when you look at the stain, finish, of course all the hardware, your door, handset, knocker, the kick plate down here, about $120.
That's not bad.
Not bad at all, but the smartest money we spent was about $5 extra. While we were at the home center, I went ahead and had them key this lock to match the existing key for all the locks in the house.
And it makes it a lot more convenient than having a lot of keys to deal with.